Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngizonithusa-ke bafethu, Patrick Maswanganyi possibly ngabe wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs around 2021. I-agent lakhe liconfirmile ukuthi back in 2021 wakhuluma ne-Kaizer Chiefs. That time i-head coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs kwaku-Arthur Zwane, uthi usasenawo namanje ama-message la akhuluma khona no-Arthur Zwane, but-ke kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs azange ithathe i-opportunity yokusayina uPatrick Maswanganyi, but konke bekulele kube ezandleni zabo bafethu ukuthi bamsayine. Well, singayibheka le moment lesithi mhlawumbe i-Kaizer Chiefs yageja i-opportunity enkulu yokuthi isayine uPatrick Maswanganyi, or banama-players well equipped laphana adlala better than uPatrick Maswanganyi. Angazi nina bafethu ukuthi niyibona kanjani le. So well, le movie le engazange yenzeke, but-ke beyiclose ukuthi yenzeke because iside la kaPatrick Maswanganyi beli-ready ukuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yadecide otherwise bona. And then Patrick Maswanganyi in that time bekase-Portugal bafethu, udlalela ama-team awu-2 laphana e-Portugal, even nama-under 23s wakhona. And then he came back to South Africa waya laphana ku-SuperSport United, kula wabamnika khona i-opportunity enkulu, and then wafika washayina ku-SuperSport United. Then 2023 wajoyina i-Orlando Pirates. So I mean, yeah, ezinye izinto siyazibheka sisho ukuthi what if kwenzakala kanje, ngabe Patrick Maswanganyi udlala kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngabe wa-inspire i-Kaizer Chiefs kanjani, or ngabe i-career yakhe azange iye phambili, or maybe ngabe nayo i-part of i-Kaizer Chiefs eya-enda i-drought before i-Kaizer Chiefs ize ifike almost 10 years ingawini i-cup. Manje uPatrick Maswanganyi is one of the brightest stars in South African football, but-ke ngabe wagqoka ele-Kaizer Chiefs. The deal never happened bafowethu at all. Years later uyi-star ku-opposition, which is i-Orlando Pirates. uPatrick Maswanganyi siyamazi ukuthi bafethu une-talent, uyi-creative number 10 laphana for i-Orlando Pirates. Confidence unayo, unokuligibela makafuna ukuligibela, uyakwazi uku-unlock ama-defense, unayo ikasi flavor noma ngithi ikasi flair, but for mina khona la kubonakala ngathi uyavila lapho uMaswanganyi. I think the big thing le bamenzela yona laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, ucoach Orlando Pirates memreplace laphana first half badlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. Leyo nto leyo yamenza ukuthi abe focus, yamenza ukuthi aphushe, yamenza ukuthi kulama game lawa amanye apick up ngempela. Manje siyambona uyi-hard worker laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, but before then if we go back we watch ama-game wakhe bengathi bamenzela i-favor mabamdlalisa, but he's not a bad player, but he's not like the best number 10 in the country. He's not even like maybe top 3 best number 10 in the country, but he's not a bad player. He's a good player overall. Imagine nje if i-Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukumsayina back then ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani, wayezoba i-part of i-Kaizer Chiefs lezamayo ukurebuilda. I mean, masirewind kancane, i-Kaizer Chiefs obviously-ke be-under pressure in 2021. Isizini-ke yokuthi bangawini ama-trophies nama-fans bawa-frustrated. There was a time la ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs wangasafuni nokuya e-stadium-ke laphana. I mean, obviously uMaswanganyi waziwa nge-vision yakhe ne-dribbling, intelligence yakhe man. Maybe it could have been a missing link laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, ngabe wabanika ama-opportunities amangcono in terms of ukuthi bona bakwazi ukulwa, and i-Kaizer Chiefs maybe i-chase ama-silverwares under Patrick Maswanganyi, but-ke azange yenzeka bafethu. Kusho ukuthi uBobby was at the helm that time, maybe wabona ukuthi hayi lo akwa-qualify ukudlalela thina. But-ke today obviously siyambona ukuthi uMaswanganyi angenzani overall laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Sekadevelope ukuba i-playmaker, uyakwazi ukulibamba ibhola futhi uyi-fan favorite laphana, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi udlala number 10, but-ke sinokumbona eceleni kancane, but akusiyi-traditional winger, but-ke udlala laphana as a creative midfielder. I mean, ama-ability wakhe, he can break the lines, uyawashaya namagoli, uyawa-create nama-opportunities. Udume ngokushaya ama-assist kakhulu, angaziyo ama-assist awanike ulokhu njani uMabasa bafethu ukuthi awungakhi throughout the years, like maningi kakhulu ama-assist awashaye awanike uMabasa. uMabasa amagoli wakhe amaningi uTito yena ne-connection yakhe. I mean, i-return yakhe laphana e-South Africa bafethu, njengoba bengishilo wajoyina i-SuperSport United la aziprova khona ngempela, wasibonisa ama-flash of brilliance. That time iligi yethu besabiza nge-DStv Premiership. Yeah, and then after lokho-ke wenza i-big move to Orlando Pirates. Then they always say the rest is history. Get Orlando Pirates angazo lift ama-trophies awungakhi already bafethu, udlale kuma-big games, and then he earned like ama-recognitions from all over. And then-ke njengoba bayi-fan favorite sekakuba Bafana. But what if wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs? Imagine njengoba ngiloke ngiyiphinda lento le, Maybe ungabe wadevelopha i-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs waba i-creative hub laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, wakwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iwine izinto. I mean i-combination yakhe laphana lese nabo Kick and Dolly nabo Khama Billiat at the time bafowethu beyingaba important kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because they were building at the time, because every season i-Kaizer Chiefs they are building bafowethu, they want to win something. They having that time bebanabo ma 6 years nyana bangakawina ama-trophies, 5 years or so lapho nje. But ke this siyohlezi nje sithi ngabe kube yabo, because ke akakwazanga ukufika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uDolly ufikile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I think it was then after lapho ufikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs mebuya laphana eFrance, yeah. But i-pressure bafethu yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs inkulu kakhulu. I don't think khona i-pressure than any other team e-South Africa. Yabona ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs awusuke usenkingeni ngempela, because uma ungekho strong enough ngeke ubuye ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngeke ukwazi ukusurvive at all. Maningi ama-good players asayine laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sabona ngathi azokwazi ukutshentsha izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs, a-contribute kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Guess what? Those players bavele bapherisha. Why? Into ebasinda kakhulu, I mean i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean i-demand yama-fans, i-demand ya-online, i-presence ya-online ukuthi inkulu kangakanani. I mean when you're wearing that jersey, you're not just wearing the jersey just for fun of it. You're wearing the jersey for results. You're wearing the jersey to represent millions of South Africans. If you don't deliver, usenkingeni. If you do deliver, and then abantu overall bayaku-celebrate, bayakuthanda, la uhamba khona bayaku-idolize, uba i-icon, uba i-star, but uma ungenzi kahle ziyakukhalela kakhulu futhi hayi kancane. But yeah, Patrick Maswanganyi, this move ayenzekanga. So hlezi siqagela ukuthi ngabe kwenzakaleni. uDolly wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs kune-big buzz kuthiwa bamthathe e-Europe, uzofika i-Kaizer Chiefs a-change izinto, but that was not the case. Abo-Lebo Manyama laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bebakhona, sababona nabo. They didn't do anything. Khama Billiat wasibonisa ama-moments of brilliance, siyamazi. Khama Billiat i-superstar. I think ayikho into engingayisho etheni ngoKhama Billiat bafethu, i-superstar loya mjita loya, but i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean kuze nabo Castro, but still bazamile nabo Castro, but I don't know ukuthi yini le becindezela i-Kaizer Chiefs kangaka ukuthi bangakwazi ukuperforma to their best abilities, because aboManyama bebaperforma kakhulu ko-Cape Town City, waze waya naseTheku uManyama, wabuya wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Abo-Billiat kuMamelodi Sundowns bebama-superstars, abo-Dolly, but mebefika ku-Kaizer Chiefs badlala baba on and off. Asazi ngempela ukuthi yini i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but yeah, it could have been nama-failures we-Kaizer Chiefs throughout the years, but ke manje sebabuilda i-team without ama-big names, and bonakala ngathi baza kahle. If they are all equal or they bid equal, I think that's better. Cela ukuzibamba lana bafethu kwamanje. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.